You're not here by accident. This is your daily companion, where faith meets your everyday life. Take a deep breath, and let's begin our journey. Have you ever made a mistake so big you thought it disqualified you from God's plan? Peter did. He walked with Jesus, talked with him, ate with him. He saw the miracles firsthand. But in Jesus' darkest hour, Peter denied him. Not once, not twice, 3 times. The guilt must have been crushing. He swore he'd die with Jesus, but when pressure hit, he folded. Maybe you know what that feels like. The weight of regret, the voice of shame whispering, "God is done with you." But here's the truth. God is not done with you. Jesus didn't cancel Peter. He came looking for him. On the beach, he called him by name. He didn't shame him. He restored him. And Peter went on to become a pillar of the early church. From failure to foundation. Peter stood up on the day of Pentecost, filled with the Spirit, and preached to thousands. 3,000 were saved. The same man who denied Jesus was now declaring him boldly. That's what grace does. It rewrites your ending. Your mistake is not your identity. Your failure is not your future. As it is written in Romans chapter 8, verse 1, "There is therefore now no condemnation for those who are in Christ Jesus." You are not canceled. You are being called again. God's plan is bigger than your worst moment. He sees the broken pieces and still says, "Follow me." Just like Peter, you have a comeback story, and it starts today. Stand up, return to grace, speak again, live again, because God still wants to use you. You're not forgotten. You're not finished. If this episode stirred something in you, subscribe for more daily encouragement. We'll meet again next time.